friends, it's Eugenia from Art Melt Times Atelier, and today we're gonna be making another little bird. I've got a series of 3 birds. We've done already the first one a few videos ago, and now I'm going to do the second one. I've got a frame with 3 spots, and yeah, the first one has already taken the first spot, so now I decided to work on the second one. I have made my drawing, as you can tell, on a Strathmore 300 GSM watercolor paper. I'm just using this it is watercolor cards. They are 5 by 7, almost 5 by 7, 5 by 6 and 7/8. So it is almost 13 by 17 centimeters. They're double. So what I do, I just cut them, and from each card I have 2. I can do 2 paintings. I got them very cheap on Amazon. They were on special, so it's I like it how it's performing. They are actually they're smooth. I believe I don't think they don't look like cold press. They look more like a hot press. Yeah, it is a hot press, which is fine for what I'm using it right now. So I've got my Pretty Excellent Meilang watercolors here. I've already sprayed them. I'll put a little bit extra spray because it's pretty hot up here and everything dries up instantly almost. I've got my 2 jars of clean water. I've got this pointy brush here. It gives me a nice fine point. A little palette, clean tissue papers, and I'm ready to start. I've masked my paper, but what I did, because the frame that I have, it's actually covering almost everything, so it's up to right at the edge. So I'm not going to create that the masking border around it, the white border around it. I'm gonna paint till up to the edge. So what I've done, I stick some masking tape at the back, and then I put another masking tape on the top to stick it on my board. So now I can paint up to the edge. So the drawing here, the sketch that I have here, I'm gonna attach it on with a printable file at the description below. So you can, if you wish to print it and paint on it, or just use it for reference, feel free to do that. I cannot put the image because I have downloaded from a group I am on the Facebook. So yeah, it's not my image, it's not mine, so I cannot put it on YouTube. But you can, yeah, with the sketch you can start, and then you can follow as you wish. So I'm gonna start now with the bird. So I'll get some orange and I get also into the yellows. Just bring some pigments on my palette here, and then I'll just grab a little bit brown, maybe not that brown, maybe this is better. So I'm going to be using all those three for this part of the bird, and let's start. The sketch, I've made it with a watercolor pencil, so I'm not gonna get the graphite lines underneath. It will dissolve, and plus it's similar color to what I'm gonna be using, so I thought to let you know, so you can as you can tell that my lines dissolve, and I won't have the gray from the graphite to worry about how I'm gonna cover it. It can be annoying. So let's start by putting like an orange wash right here. I always start light because I can always go in and put the dark parts, the shadows. I can glaze after and put different layers and make it as dark as I want. But as we know, with the watercolor, we cannot go lighter. So the best way is to start light and build up slowly. this point we have almost completed our robin. Now I'm gonna just add a touch of gouache here and there, just for little highlights, as I said at the beginning. Just a touch around the eye, because it's got some white feathers here around the eye that I couldn't keep that white line from my paper. It was too fine. And the touch here at the beak. And sometimes there's little very fine highlights that just give a little bit more life to your painting. Here the feet, I've made them pretty loose, so I'm not gonna put a lot. And with those few feathers that they have very bright on this spot here, according to my reference. Sorry, I can't have put it on. And pretty much that's about it. It doesn't need lots and lots of highlights, just a few here and there. And that's it. Now around the eye, it needs to be a little bit more bright. I have to put a little bit more thick at the paint. I just have to be careful that I won't change the shape of the eye. So that's what it is. Hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that I have inspired you to attempt it. And yeah, as I said, it's I make 3 birds for this frame. So this is the second one. You can go and have a look on the first one, and as soon as the other one comes through, you can actually do all 3 of them and make a nice frame as I'm making. So I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you really liked it, please don't forget to thumbs up. Helps a little bit with the algorithm, I think. I don't know. Maybe yes, maybe no, I'm not sure. But if you don't mind to give me some thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider to do so. Yeah, I tend to keep on putting content on this channel as much as I have some interest from you guys. So at this point here, it was a little bit more dark. Sorry, the phone is ringing always at the worst time. So yeah, as I was saying, yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please consider to do so. I'm gonna keep on adding more content as long as I have some interest. So that yeah, as long as I can see some interest, definitely I will put in more content. And thank you very much for watching me, and hope I will see you soon at my next video. Till then, be happy, be creative, and keep painting. And I should keep on painting right now because I'm gonna ruin it. Okay, I just noticed on my reference that at this spot here it's much darker, the background. So that's what I'm trying to do, but I don't want to ruin it too and overwork it. Then it's so easy to do. Okay. Oops. What was I saying? Okay, so that's it. Let's stop it because I can see it getting ruined very, very quickly. I had a nice light background and now I'm gonna run it. Okay, so okay, before I let you go, I'm gonna just put my initials. I always do. Even if it is a little bit faded, it doesn't matter. Okay, and there we go. And also I just want to show you with this way I have taped my paper today. I've got see, this is the sticky part and this is, I put the second tape on the top just to show you. So I've got two tapes, one that is stuck and then one other stuck to my board, and this way I managed to have it all painted. No border, so it should be perfectly fine for my frame. Thanks again for watching me, and till then, be happy, be creative, and keep painting. Bye!